Rewarded Play usually stops working when ad services break, background tracking gets restricted, or the app loses sync with Google Play services. That shows up as ads not loading, rewards not crediting, or games not registering progress. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons Rewarded Play stops working, and the fixes that restore ads, tracking, and reward credits step by step. First thing to check is your ad system. Rewarded Play depends on Google advertising services to load and validate ads. If ads are not loading or freezing halfway, coins will not register. Open the Play Store and make sure Google Play services and Google Chrome are fully updated, then restart your phone. Next, check your internet connection. Reward apps rely on stable connections to verify AD completion in real time. If your Wi-Fi is weak, or your phone keeps switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, ads can fail to complete properly. Switching to a stable single connection often fixes the issue immediately. Now clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Rewarded Play, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can block ad loading or reward tracking. If nothing changes, tap Clear Storage and log back in. That resets the AP's reward system completely. After that, check battery and background restrictions. Many phones automatically limit apps running in the background to save power. Rewarded Play needs background activity to confirm completed ads and game tracking. Turn off battery optimization for the app and allow unrestricted background usage. Also make sure your Google account is properly synced. Reward apps use your Google account to track progress and rewards. If sync is delayed or broken, rewards may not appear even if everything else looks normal. Open your account settings and refresh sync for Google services. If the app still doesn't work, reinstall it. Delete Rewarded Play. Restart your phone, then reinstall it from the Play Store. This removes corrupted app files and resets your device connection to the reward system. Finally, sometimes the issue is not on your phone at all. Rewarded Play can experience server delays where ads or rewards don't update instantly. In those cases, waiting a few hours and trying again usually fixes it without changing anything. To sum it up, Rewarded Play not working usually comes down to broken ad services, unstable connections, or restricted background activity. Fixing those areas restores normal reward tracking in most cases. Start with updates to Google services, then move through connection and cache fixes before reinstalling the app. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and Android issues.